Day 13 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. And today we're going to talk about comment to connect, how intentional commenting builds your business. Connection equals currency. Every comment is a conversation waiting to happen. Okay. So commenting, when we're talking about commenting, we're talking about basically commenting on social media posts, either your post or somebody else's post. Okay. So this whole momentum roadmap is to help you build your business step by step. Either you're like you have a business or you're looking to start a business. So either way, this is for you. Or you just want to learn a little bit about how to build an online business. So let's get into it. Okay. So why commenting is a growth strategy, not a chore. Intentional commenting is not engagement for the sake of it. It's a deliberate strategy to find ideal customers, start conversations, and signal the algorithm that you're active. So it helps you find your ideal customer. Okay. Commenting on posts your perfect customer already follows puts you in their line of sight. They get curious, click your profile, and they follow, or they become a potential customer. So it signals the algorithm. When you comment consistently, platforms, social media platforms, they see you as an active creator. Your content gets pushed to more people as a direct result. It starts real conversations. A meaningful comment opens a DM, a follow, or a lead. One sentence can turn a stranger into a subscriber if you ask the right question. Shallow comments first versus comments that open doors. Okay. So shallow comments, it adds nothing, gets no reply, conversation dies. You just say nice or love this, so true, or you have an emoji. Okay. So if you just say nice, it's one word, nothing to respond to. Love this, it's pleasant, it's forgettable, there's no hook. Okay. So true, no curiosity, no question, no connection. Emoji, 0 words, 0 opportunity. So meaningful comments, opens conversations, invites reply, builds trust. For example, this really hit home. I struggle with this too. How long until you saw results? What's your top tip for beginners? So, like, this really hits home, personal resonance. They want to know why. I struggle with this too. Shared experience opens the door. How long until you saw this? Now, how long until you saw results? A question that demands a reply. What's your top tip for beginners? A curiosity-based conversation. Curiosity-based, and its conversation is guaranteed with that. So 5 comment frameworks that start real conversations. Using these as starting points, adapt them, make them sound like you. So number 1, relatability opener. This really hit home. I used to struggle with this too. Thank you for sharing this. Creates instant empathy. The creator feels seen and so do other readers. Number 2, the curiosity question. I love how you explain this. Do you find most people overcomplicated at first? Questions always get replies. Curiosity is impossible to ignore. The discovery hook. Hey, thanks for being here. What's one thing you love most about having your own business? If they don't have a business yet, their reply tells you everything. Number 4, the experience share. I've been testing something similar. Have you tried this tactic? Love to know what worked. Positions you as a peer, not a fan. It starts a two-way dialogue. Number 5, the human check-in. How has your week been? This content came at exactly the right time for me. Makes people feel seen, simple, powerful, widely underused. And you can also go through AI, ChatGPT, Claude to help you figure out some more commenting strategies as well. So the discovery comment, your secret lead qualifier. So the comment, hey, thanks for being here. What's one thing you love most about having your own online business? So what happens next? Either way, you win. If they have a business, they share what they love. You apply with genuine interest, ask a follow-up, and build a relationship. They become a warm follower who engages consistently. If they don't have one yet, live lead, reply with a video comment. How long have you been looking? What's your main goal? Then share your story. That conversation can change everything. And your story is just simply why you started your business. Okay. Oh, let's go back. Okay. So the daily commenting habit that grows your business. So What you want to do is post around 10 to 15 intentional comments per day. Okay. You can do some in the morning or some at night. It's up to you. So do it with your morning coffee if you want. Reply to every comment in your own posts and make them intentional, thoughtful comments. Okay. Leave 5 thoughtful comments in your niche. Okay. Use a curiosity question or relatable opener. Okay. So for at night, if you want to do it as well, leave 5 to 10 comments on creators your ideal customer follows, right? Reply to other people's comments in those posts. Okay. One one comment per post max, because otherwise you're going to be looked at as a spammer. Okay. Respond to any new comments on your own content from the day. Rule: max 1 comment per post on other creators' posts. Multiple comments on the same video looks like spam. Okay. So where to go? Finding your commenting ground. Comment where your ideal customer already spends their time. Okay. So it could be creators you admire, right? Follow creators whose content your ideal customer loves. Comment on their videos. Their audience is your audience. Hashtag and niche feeds. Search your niche keywords. Leave meaningful comments on your top posts. You're inserting yourself into the right conversations. Your own posts. Always reply to every comment on your own content, even emojis. It signals the algorithm and makes people feel seen. Facebook groups. Groups where your ideal customer gathers are gold mines. Comment with genuine value. No pitching, just connecting. And even if it's not Facebook, it can be anything. Like wherever people are going, like it could be Reddit or anything, where people are going, your ideal customer, go there and comment. Okay. So other people's comments, reply to commenters, not just the creator. Reply to a commenter can pull them to your profile just as effectively. And competitors' audiences. Your competitors' followers are your ideal customers. Comment with genuine insight and curiosity. So turn today's lesson into content. Use one of these hooks this week to teach commenting. Okay. This is your way to add value to people and attract your ideal customer at the same time. For example, want people to actually notice you on social media? Do this one thing every day. It's curiosity plus an actionable promise. It's a strong scroll stopper. Okay, the next one, the fastest way to grow your audience without posting more content. Counterintuitive. Challenges the assumption that more equals more. Here's why your comments aren't getting you customers, and the one shift that fixes it. Pain-based, speaks directly to frustrated creators. I spent 10 minutes doing this every morning and it completely changed my reach. Personal story in a specific time frame. High credibility. Stop liking posts, start doing this instead. Pattern interrupt. Simple, direct, impossible not to click. Today's challenge. Leave 10 meaningful comments today. At least 3 must include a curiosity-based question. Track how many replies you get. Reply to every comment on your own posts. Even emojis, even one word, make every person feel seen. This trains the algorithm. Number 3, try the discovery comment on one post. Hey, thanks for being here. What's one thing you love most about having your own online business? Number 4, screenshot your best comment of the day. Post it back to the community. We celebrate together and we learn from each other's wins. Questions spark conversations. Conversations build connections. Connections lead to customers. Customers lead to money. Money leads to joy. Joy leads to peace. And yeah, anyways. Okay. You know, the more money you have, the more good you can do for yourself and for other people. So on that note, I will see you in the next one. And if you want to learn more about how to build an online business, see my company, Come I Pay. That's why I started my online business. And what I love about this business is the fact that it's beginner friendly. You can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale. Okay, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K. So if you want to learn more about that, just go to wealthwithdan.com. The link's in my bio. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.